¡Lucharé!
Good morning. Welcome to the Newscast Apocalypse News. In this edition, it's with me, my partner, Misty Coco.
Good morning, Arnold.
Begin with the news, the note of the day.
News. We captured 50 allies and followers of Al-Qaeda during to cross the border of Prieta and Douglas. Named her Al-Raf, Nihar, Rizal, Razar, Lahar, Lasran, Rizal, Lahar, Lahar, Razar, Mizrab, and Rehar, Nahar, Rizal, Ahar, Rizal, Rizal, Hazar, Rizal, Ahar, Rizal, Rizal. 48 names of the other captures was will advance in the news core informative. Thank you.
Thank you, Isai. New world tour to the weather report.
Good morning. Now I'm going to tell you about some artists' theme for this day. Niurka Marcos. This day your time is too hot. Take it easy, girl. Sammy, this day you are going to froze the ladies when they look at you. Don't be bad. Take off the mask. Well, that's all this day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Sulet. As a final note, in the Scandal Show.
Thanks, Blue Demon. The note of the day. Fabiana Valle returns to the sex scandals. This time was found in an autumn basin, doing their famous other immoral acts.
Thank you, Misty Coco. That's all in the news. We hope the next edition